Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how to create a TikTok video completely from scratch, and I'll show you all the options available to you when making a video. If it's your first time here, I make easy to follow social media videos every single day of the week, so please consider subscribing. So let's start from scratch. I'm assuming you already have the app, but if you don't, you simply go to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and this is the new TikTok logo here. It was formerly Musical.ly, but the logo now just looks like the TikTok logo. Go ahead and download and open it. And once you open TikTok, it's going to open on the homepage. You don't have to make an account just yet to browse, so you could simply scroll up one at a time like this. And when you like a profile, if you swipe to the right, you will get to that person's profile and you could go ahead and follow them here. But in order to follow them and in order to make a video, you have to create a profile. So let's do that. Click your profile icon right here on the bottom corner and either sign up for an account or log in. I have a different video about the sign up process. You just have to be 12 or older to create an account. You could use Facebook, Google, and Twitter. So I'll link to that if you don't have an account. Let's assume you have one. So go ahead and log in. And I already have an account, so I'm on my profile. I've already posted some videos. It's a new account here. But let's go through making a video, which is what this video is all about. So what you want to do is press the plus sign in the middle. It's Christmas time right now, so it looks like this, but it typically looks like a plus sign. So let's press the plus sign, and most likely, regardless of the phone that you're using, you're gonna have to allow a camera access and microphone access. So go ahead and do that. That's usually gonna take you to the setting in the iPhone. You have to turn it on here. Same with the Android, you gotta give it access. But once you do that, you could come back to the TikTok app and you should be ready to start making your own video. So let's go through the process of making a video. Let's go ahead and press plus and go through each step. So the very first thing you want to do, you usually want to add a song first. So if you click add a song, it's going to give you the song library. Now you could do this later too. This does not have to be your first step, but if you're making a dance video, for example, it's much better to pick your song. And here is a bunch of playlists, like top 20 playlists right now. You could choose one of those songs. And this is how you choose a song. You could press play to go ahead and play a song to see what it looks like. And once you're happy with the song, you just press the check mark here and it will add the song and you could start recording your video after that. In this case, let me go shoot a video of my dog and I'm gonna add the song later. So instead of adding the song in the first step, I'll add it later. So let's look at the options in the page. So add the song is in the middle. Next to it is flip on the right. That will bring your front facing camera to you. Next to it is speed. So you could turn speed on or off, and that will change the speed. If you want it fast or slow, that will change the speed of the video playback. So 2x would be twice as fast, half it would be half speed. Down below that is a beauty filter. The F1 filter is another filter, and then the timer allows you to give yourself a few seconds before you start recording the video. We'll do all that after. Let's just start recording the video right now. So to do that, you just simply hold this red icon here and it will start recording. It will cut at 15 seconds, so you could create another clip after that. It will basically break it up into two different clips. And when you're done and happy with your shot, just let go and it will stop recording and it will create the clip for you. So now everything that we wanted to do, we could still do, because as long as we don't press that checkbox, we don't go to the next page. So let's go through some of your options. You got your beauty filter. If you turn this on and off, it's going to give you a really nice, pleasant effect. Next to it, the F1 filter through F4 and S1 and so on. You could check out what those color overlays could do. The timer we already talked about, but on the bottom here, on the bottom left, there's the effects filter. So go ahead and click that, and that's going to give you some really cool effect overlays that you could choose. I'll just choose this second one here, is a snow overlay. And the same thing with the speed. If you wanted to make it half speed or double speed or triple speed, that was before you start recording. But now you could actually change the speed and then you could record again. I'm recording a new clip here, and this is going to be at half speed with the snow overlay on top of it, and this is going to create a second clip for me. So again, as long as I don't click that checkbox, that check mark, I could make edits and I could continue. And now I'm going to press the checkbox, and this page, you still have more options for editing. So if you look at the page on the bottom, you have special effects. You could select your cover photo. There's more filters and stickers, and you could add a song here. So if you didn't add a song like I didn't in the beginning, I'm gonna go ahead and add my song here. Again, there's a discover option and there's a favorite option. So go ahead and go through this list. The top 20 is very useful. Here I'm making this in Christmas time, so there's a bunch of Christmas options. You could press play, listen to them. Once you're happy, press the check mark, the red check mark, and it will actually select a song for you. Now that you have the song selected, you could actually trim the song. So by clicking trim here, I could change the beginning of the song. So I could drag it to trim. So I'm going to drag it a few seconds to change it. And next to it, you could change the original sound volume and the soundtrack volume. So that's the volume icon. So that's why I choose the song selection here. Now let's change the cover. That's the first cover that you see. And again, these same filters, the F1 through F4, S1, all those filters are still here. And now you have the stickers and emoji options. These are very much like Instagram story. If you're used to using that, you could just go ahead and place those here. Just play around with a lot of different options that you have on this page. But I typically choose the song here if I don't choose it in the very beginning, so I could trim and have volume control. Once you press next here, now you could do your post. Go ahead and put your captions, go ahead and do your hashtags, and you could use the @ to tag your friends here. And this is how you grow on TikTok, is with hashtags and with tagging people, a lot like Instagram here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hashtag best puppy here, and that actually shows you how many people have used this hashtag before. And this is a way that I could get discovered. So I'm gonna go ahead and press done here. Now I could change who view. I could change from public to private or to friends. I could turn commenting on, and I could automatically share to my other profiles. And when I'm done, I could just press post and it's gonna start posting the video. If you see on the top left corner here, it's gonna take a little bit of time. It's not instant. It has to actually upload it. I did shoot 2 different videos in a row, so it's playing my previous video that I've uploaded till the upload is complete. Now that the upload is complete, I could go to my profile and I could see that new video. If I just tap it, it will start playing, and this is how other people are gonna view the video. I have the music off at this point for this video, but other people are obviously gonna be able to hear the music while they play the video. And then they could just slide to start following me on this page. I hope you found this useful. Please give this a like and subscribe to this channel. I'll continue to post TikTok videos every single week, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.